there and welcome back. Today's video is going to be a PR unboxing and haul. I do these every single Friday here on my channel where I save up all of my packages and then I open them on camera with you guys. We do swatches. I show you guys all the new collections that are coming out. So if that sounds good, let's jump in. So I want to start by saying that today's makeup look is obviously a little more intense than usual. I tried out the new freckle pen from Lime Crime and I also tried out the Main Squeeze palette from ColourPop. So I kind of did like a watermelon inspired look. I will have the tutorial in a pinned comment down in the description box if you guys are curious on it. It's up now on my Instagram, but I just want to throw that out there because we're looking a little different than normal. So first up, I actually just got this one. It just showed up at my door and it says it's from Sherry's Berries, which I think is actually like a company that sends like flower baskets or like berry baskets. So I'm not sure if this is even from a brand or someone in my family or something sent me them, but I'm gonna open it to see. It literally just came as soon as I was sitting down to film this, so obviously it says perishable on it, so I was figured we'd open it up and see. Okay, so it is actually some berries here, and the card just says, "Congratulations, Molly. We are so happy and excited for you. You're going to be such a fantastic mommy. We love you so much, so grateful for our relationship." I don't know who it's from though. I'm assuming it's from a brand. Oh my god, these look delicious. Yes. This is so exciting. Well, thank you, whoever sent these. I wish I knew. All right, so next I'm gonna go into the package that just got here as well. So this one came over from Huda Beauty, and I'm wondering if this is her new neon palette. I'm not exactly sure what this is. Okay, this is not her neon palette. Okay, this is, I think, a welcome package. Oh my gosh. So when Huda Beauty like adds someone to their PR, they are seriously so generous and they give you like a variety of their products. And I think that's what this box is. First off, it has lips all in the box, which is super cute. I've gotten a few PR packages from them now. So I really just thought this was another package. I thought it was her new neon palettes that I know are coming out. But I think that this is a box full of goodies. So first off, there's a little air freshener for your car. So cute. And then inside of here, it looks like we have the Obsessions palettes. So 3 of the little mini Obsession palettes. So we have the Amethyst one. This one here is the Topaz. And then we also have the Ruby palette as well. So we have a couple of different ones in the Matte and Metals. So we have 2 different ones of those. Or there's 3. So there's another one here. And then we also have some lip contours in here. So then we have this Face Bake and Blend brush and then a ton of lips. Oh my gosh, all of these lips right here. Super cool. So these are her liquid mattes, also some demi mattes. There's some lip strobes in here. I'm probably not going to swatch anything in here because it's so much stuff. We also have, I think, more lippies here, so a bunch more lipsticks, and then there's even a few more in here as well. So also we have the Golden Sands highlighting palette, and then it looks like a bunch of different lashes. So we have a bunch of different styles of her lashes right here. Super cute. Here's a couple more right here. Lots of lashes, which is exciting, and then there is another thing in here, and then we have the Easy Bake Loose Setting Powder, which I actually haven't tried out. So cool. Big thank you to the Huda Beauty team. This is so sweet. Obviously a very, very generous package, and I'm so appreciative. So super, super thankful for that. Thank you guys. Up next, we got a box from Joah, and this feels very heavy, so I'm curious to see what is inside of here because it feels like there's a lot. So I'll show you guys what we have. Okay, so up first we have the felt tipped eyeliner. This is the I'm So Fly liner in here. We also have the Brow Down to Me top coat as well. There is the Birthday Suit palette, which I have this one and I absolutely love it. We also have the Be My Everything blush and bronze palette. I have one of these, but I think I have the lighter one. This one looks really, really pretty. We also have some foundation. So I've been trying this one out actually. I got it recently and they sent over a few different shades in that. So this is their Truly Yours foundation. I'm actually pretty excited because the shade that I got is a little bit too light. So I was actually thinking of exchanging it. But I'll go ahead and keep that probably for the winter, and then I'll use one of these shades because it looks like they sent me a few like deeper shades I could use. And then we have another palette here. This is the Be My Everything Cream Contour Palette. Super cute packaging here. If you guys have never heard of Joah, they are a brand that is available exclusively to CVS. They are a drugstore. They have really great prices. Also, also the Precision Brow Pencil in Warm Medium Brown. I love this brow pencil. I actually ran out of the one I have, so I'll be reaching into this one probably today. It's such a good brow pencil. And we also have the Selfie Ready Setting Spray. This is a matte setting spray. And then the Selfie Ready powder as well. And then it looks like we have a few different eyeliners here as well. So Eye Candy, Eye Kohl's. 2 different ones in those. Definitely a very generous package from Joah. I'm excited to find some new products from the brand. I do really enjoy almost everything that I've tried out from them, so I'm pretty excited about these goodies from them. So up next, this says Jill Stuart. I'm not sure who that is or what that is, if it's a company or what. I've never heard of it, so we will see. It says, hi Molly, we hope you enjoyed these Jill Stuart beauty goodies. So that is the name of the brand. So I've actually never heard of this brand, so this is a new brand to me. A few PR companies have like my information, so sometimes I get like new brands that I've never even heard of and that I don't know I'm getting in the mail. So I think that this is one of those. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it and see. It says a blush compact. Let me know if you guys have ever heard of this brand. Ooh, this is pretty. Wow, look at the packaging. That is gorgeous. It almost looks like a diamond. Ah, pretty packaging, and look at that. Super, super cute. I'm not gonna swatch it almost because that's looking so pretty. So we have this, and then there's also like this little blush brush in here as well. What a pretty compact. That's really, really nice. So I'm pulling out the brow pencil. So this is the Arty Stay Brow Liner. And here's what it looks like. This packaging is so pretty. And then I'll pull it out, so it's actually just like a pencil. I'll go ahead and swatch it. It feels like it's gonna be more of like a waxy pencil. And this one is in the shade B6, I think is what it says, Latte 01 actually. So here's the shade right there. And then I'm actually gonna try one of these lippies as well. I think I'm gonna pull out the velvet one. Okay, so the one that I pulled out is Dressy Scarlet. This is a Lip Blossom Velvet. Look at this packaging. I am just like blown away by this packaging. It's so pretty. And actually I think if you flip, if you flip that up, there's like a little mirror right there. How cute is that? And then I'll show you guys, wow, look at the little emblem. Really, really pretty. So I'm gonna actually just swatch this one so we can see what it looks like. So here's what the color right there looks like. It looks nice. I'm really curious to actually look up this brand and see like what their price point is and learn like a little bit more about them because I've never heard of them. But so far, their packaging is just gorgeous, and I think the products actually look really, really nice and luxurious. So we will see. I'll look that up and see like the price point on them. It looks like they might be like a K-beauty brand because a lot of it is in Chinese in the back. So I guess we'll see. Let me know down below if you guys have ever heard of that brand. It's called Jill Stuart. All right, moving on to the next box, we have something from Derma E. Yay, I am so excited about this. So they actually sent over their new Scalp Relief Shampoo and Scalp Relief Conditioner. I seen a post from them. I think it's like quite a while ago, but I saw that they were coming out with like hair care products, and I love so many of their skincare products. So this has me really excited that I'm able to try them out. So it says it smooths dry, irritated scalps, and here is what the packaging looks like. Really nice. These are full-size bottles here. So it says no parabens, no sulfates, mineral oils, artificial colors, a lot of other things, artificial fragrance, so there's not going to have like no fragrance to these either. Super nice. So I know a lot of Derma E's products are really good for you. They sell them in like Whole Foods and everything, so I will definitely give these two a try. And they also put like some little hair ties in here as well. This box I have to show you guys came over from Revolution Beauty. They are formerly known as Makeup Revolution, and I've been using their products for a long time. They're one of the first brands I discovered when I started like getting into makeup and like trying things at Ulta. So it's really fun to get a package from them. Oh my gosh, wow. I'm getting spoiled this week, you guys. Look at this package. This is like jam-packed with products. So it looks like this is actually a new brand that they are launching. It's going to be called Makeup Obsession, and it looks like this will be available at Target. So it says the prices are going to retail from $5 to $15, and it will be available in stores and online in June. So that's really exciting. Up first, we have the It Isn't Peachy. This is a blush palette right here. So here's what that one looks like, really pretty. We also have another palette here. This is another face palette. This is the Committed palette. Ooh, this one is nice. This is a highlighting palette. Let me pull off the plastic so you guys can see it better. You know what would be fun if we did like a full face using this brand, because it's a new brand, so I could do like an entire face. Looks like they have foundation in here, everything I would need to do a full face, so let me know if you guys want to see that. Here's what that palette looks like. I'm going to go ahead and swatch a few of these so we can see. So they have highlights, and I'll go ahead and, ooh, dang, those are pigmented. Look at that. Those are pretty. Nice. Okay, and then also in here, it looks like they have some palettes as well. We have the Be Passionate palette right here. So here's what the inside of that one looks like. There are also a few more eyeshadow palettes it looks like. So this one is the Be in Love palette. This one is really pretty. Here's what that one looks like. I really like the tones in this one. I'll go ahead and swatch a couple shades. So I'll swatch this gold shade and then the pinky one, and then we'll swatch one of the mattes as well, kind of just swatch them over here. Ooh, those look really nice too. This looks really promising so far. Okay, and then I think there are actually even a couple more palettes in here. So we have the Be the Game Changer. This is a shadow palette. Oh, this one looks like the mirror broke on there, but we can still use it. It looks like all of the shadows are intact. Can't really read that one here. This one is called the Belle Jordan palette. Okay, and then here's that one here. Looks really nice. I like the fact that they do have a mirror on them as well. We have a few highlighting shades. It looks like these are their Mega Metal highlights. So one of these is broken. This one here is broken, but I have this one. And then also in here, there is some setting spray, it looks like. Ooh, illuminating finishing spray. We also have some primers, so a blur primer. There's this one here, which is another like blurring primer. We also have some extra hold makeup fixing spray. And then I think these ones are actually concealers. So I thought they were foundations. These are a very large concealer component. So they sent over 4 different shades in the concealer. And then also there is a illuminating liquid drop right here, and then a banana powder. Definitely let me know down below if you guys want to see like a first impressions testing out this brand. I haven't seen anybody talk about this brand, so I'm just really curious on it in general. So let me know if that's something you guys would want to see. I could definitely film it for you. But so far, I mean, the palettes and everything look really pretty. I have high hopes that I'll like this brand and we kind of find like a new gem. All right, so getting into the last few packages, we have something from Thrive Cosmetics. So it says, joy is the best makeup. This is a cute little bag here. And meet our new lip matte shades. Ooh, fun. So they have some new lippies. So it looks like they have 3 different shades all together. So these are their lip matte high shine lip toppers. So these will be $24 each, and they are available now. So go ahead and swatch some of them so I can show you. So they actually sent over 2 different lip liners to go with them. I really do like their lip liner formula. And then here are all 3 of the shades right here. They look really pretty. I always love their packaging too. It's very sleek. So here are all 3 of them right here. So this is Effie right here, and then this is Ashley here at the end. They look really nice, very shiny, like they'll be really nice on the lips. So I'll have to try these out, and I'm glad I have a couple more lip liners to go with them as well. All right, and then this next box, I'm not sure who this one is from, so I'll have to open it and find out. All right, so this came over from PUR. So we got something from PUR. I'll go ahead and open it. Looks like they sent over this brush that was wrapped separately. So this is their Beholder brush right here, complexion brush. So I'm wondering if this is their new foundation that they just launched. It is! How exciting! I'm so excited about this. So this is their new 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation. I've been hearing really good things about this. I'm excited to be able to test it out. So it looks like they sent me 3 full sizes and then a bunch of other shades to kind of find my perfect match. This foundation actually comes in 100 different shades, which is crazy incredible. I think that's so awesome. So I'll have to try this out and see what I think. Maybe I'll put it into like a first impressions too. Let me know what you guys think. But yeah, there is actually 100 different shades to this foundation, which I think is absolutely incredible. So here's a better picture. This is like the full range right here, so you guys can see. Really cool. Definitely everyone can find their shade in this foundation, which is amazing. Okay, and then the last package I want to show you guys came over from Huda Beauty. I've actually already opened this because I wanted to do a lip swatch video on it because I was so excited about it. So this is her powder lips, and she sent over the new shades that she came out with. So there are 8 new shades to this. It's like a matte lipstick. They already have released before, but she released a bunch of new shades here. So this is the Icons collection. Just to kind of give you guys a glimpse of a few of the shades. So here is the packaging on these. So pretty. I love the packaging. And then when you actually look at the actual bullets of the lipsticks, like they are just gorgeous. Like a very sleek, like matte bullet. So pretty. So this one here is really nice. This one is a nude one. This is Anniversary. A really gorgeous like orangey nude. This I think was my favorite one. This one is Honeymoon. I love this shade Honeymoon. I think it's so pretty. These just glide on the lips. They're very nice, and they stay on all day. Like I had it on after I was done swatching them all, like the last shade. It lasted quite a while on the lips. But But the formula of these is really, really nice, so I'm excited to have some new shades in these. So thank you, Huda Beauty, for this package, and the other package was so crazy from them. So after that, that is going to do it for this week's PR unboxing and haul. If you are curious on those lipsticks and you want to see all of them swatched, check that out on my Instagram. This was such a crazy week, you guys. We have so many packages, so definitely comment down below and let me know what products you guys are most excited about, what brands you're excited about, and I will definitely make sure to film those videos for you. Give this one a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Also, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and I'll see you guys in my next one.